We are on top of the world. We did not agree of. Okay, yeah, this is it. You're gonna have to hold on to this. Don't fail me, okay? Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome back to another update here in my province house rebuild. I am back here in the countryside, and today I'm going to give you guys another update. By the way, we actually ran into a few problems here in the rebuild. First and foremost, instead of 6 workers, now we are down to 3 because I heard the other 3 actually got sick. If you guys don't know, the cases here in Cebu are actually rising, and there's been a lot of cases. Yeah, I don't know what really happened to them, but they are not able to work. Second is the weather. So we actually do have a low pressure here in Visayas, and obviously we are experiencing thunderstorm and heavy rain here in Cebu. So yesterday I think they only worked for a few hours. That's because it's raining, and obviously since they had to do some welding, they're not able to do it because of the rain, right? We also need a few materials more, so that is actually going to be the welding rod. So I needed to add more welding rod because yeah, they're still working on it, and we need more. We ran out of gasoline as well. If you guys don't know, I actually purchased 30 liters of gasoline, so that's a total of, that cost me 2,000 pesos or around $40 US, and that ran out already. So I had to add more, and I don't know how much more do I need to add until we get the roof finished. But yeah, so far those are the stuff that I need. Those are the materials that I need to add here so that we can have the roof finish. As you guys can see, right now it is a bit sunny, and sometimes it gets really gloomy on that side. I can see some heavy clouds. I think it's really gonna rain soon, but anyway, right now it's 12 p.m. They're taking their lunch, so I'm going to tour you guys around here in the current update they were able to do. So they were able to work 2 days now. Today is Tuesday, right? Razzle is my camera woman today. Wednesday, yeah. So they were able to work for 2 days, and we are gonna be going up. I know it is quite dangerous to go up in there. Good luck to me, but I really want to show you guys and have a closer look what is the current situation up in there. And by the way, one of the workers unfortunately actually had an accident there as well, because my current corrugated roof is very thin. I think one of his foot actually went through, and yeah, it's not good. So I gotta be careful. Razzle has to be careful as well. So I'm gonna try to go up first. So you guys can see, I have here my DRS generator that has been serving us for 1 week now. Good thing you're still up and running. And yeah, we're actually gonna be celebrating our feast here in the countryside this Saturday, and I think this will be used as well for Mom's video, okay? And to have some fun as well. Some of my friends will be coming over. Unfortunately, my house is still not finished, but that's okay. At least we have lechon. That's the most important thing, right? Okay, so we have here a bamboo ladder. This is quite buwis buhay. My life is at stake for this, guys. I'm doing it for you. Just kidding. Yeah, I'm gonna try to go up. This has been the ladder that they've been using to go up in there, and I'm gonna try to use it myself. I will be so unlucky if this will collapse on me or what. But yeah, I'm actually afraid of heights. Oh my gosh. Boy, I think I cannot. What if I'm gonna... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Fudge. Wait. Okay, Razzle is gonna have her turn as well. Okay, we'll just have to really make sure that you're gonna have to hold on to this, the metal, yeah. It's quite sturdy. Okay, we are on top of the world. Ta-da! The kids are there. Hi! 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 And Papa is there. Okay. Okay, so this is the current situation. They have their welding right there. Huy, Razel, careful. Okay, I'm gonna go in the center. And you just stay here.
Gunit ho?
Para kung mabastot ko, at least na ako gunitan. Hala! Okay. No, I'm only 40 kilograms. So, roof, please don't fail me, okay? Okay, wait. No! Wait sa asa quad. Wait sa. Maybe here. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, this is it. I made it, guys. I did it. Okay, alright, so I can sit here in the middle and talk to you guys. Alright, and by the way, one of the reasons why I am not staying here anymore, and that's because we can no longer occupy the living room because, you know, the roof is very thin, and he actually cut the edges of the roof. When it's raining, the water is gonna come through inside. So Papa was telling me yesterday that it was actually flooding in the house again yesterday. If you guys can see over here, this is where one of the workers actually had an accident. There's like a little hole over here and the water is coming in. So the inside of the house is a total mess again. I know that I really hope that it's gonna be, you know, usable because my friends are coming over, but what can I really do? We're still working on the house, you know. I would have to say that I've been super stressed for this week because we ran into a few problems when it comes to the roof. We actually had a little bit of conversation. I wouldn't say it's like an argument with the main builder, but we had a discussion that we did not agree of. We need to have that straightened out so that we could, you know, have this finished. As you guys can see, this is the current situation of the house right now. We are already almost done putting all of the metals that is needed to hold the roof. And it is very windy. You know what? Like sitting down right here, right now, and with this wind like really fresh, it really makes me think that I wish I did put a terrace or a balcony here or a second floor, but you know, that's gonna be a lot of money, and at the same time I'm also afraid that if there is an earthquake here in the Philippines, which we actually do have a lot, it's gonna collapse on me, you know. For typhoon, we can tell that the typhoon is coming, but when it comes to earthquake, like it will just occur like in a snap. Like we wouldn't really know when will the earthquake will occur. So that is quite dangerous. So I know some of you have suggested that to do like a cemented roof so that my roof wouldn't be blown away by, you know, by the wind if there's going to be another typhoon. But that's my answer to that. It's because of the earthquake. And Philippines is very known to have a lot of earthquake for the entire year. So anyway, this is it right now. I am quite happy with the progress, though I only have 3 workers in the meantime, but hopefully once I could get the next materials. Okay, I thought I'm done with my roof, but I still need to get materials for the roof. So I've actually talked to a few hardware stores already, like where I could get the best deal, and yeah, so far I found one, and I just really need to talk to the main builder and ask him for the list of the materials. The next video that you guys will be seeing will probably be me getting the roof for this house, and then after that we're gonna install it, and then after it's gonna be done. Yes, I'm happy. I'm really looking forward for that to happen because, yeah, we are targeting for this roof to be done for 3 weeks, and this is the second week. And yeah, so far it's looking good. My only problem is really the weather because obviously they have to stop working if it is raining. Alright guys, so time check is quarter to 4 p.m. right now, and as you guys can see in my background, they are still currently working on the house. I am actually here in front of the house. This is beside the road because if we're gonna go near them, you guys will not be able to hear me because the generator is super loud. I would have to say we are about 10 meters away from the generator, but still, you guys can catch it, right? Anyway, earlier when I was talking to you guys, when me and Razzle were up in there, this front still don't have the C purlins. Is that what you guys call it? The metal. But right now, as you guys can see, it's already complete in the front. So what they're working on now is the side. So once they're gonna finish on the side, they will now proceed to the one at the back. I am quite happy that after how many days? So 1 week is 6 days. Well, they didn't really work for one whole day on Saturday because they were on a half day. Today is Wednesday, so it was about 5, 6, 7. It's about 8 days, 8.5 days of work, and this is what they were able to accomplish. And by the way, if you guys can tell, if we are going to count it, they are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 concrete posts. I know I have mentioned that it is going to be 12. Yes, it will be, okay? It's just that the 2 concrete posts will be on the inside of the house. So I'm not sure how is he gonna go about it. I think we're gonna have to knock down some walls on the inside before we can put or install the 2 concrete posts that is needed. That will hold the center of, our roof. Next week, we're now going to proceed with installing the roof. So there is going to be 2 types of roof. First is rib star, and then we also have a tile roof. I really like the look of the tile roof, but it looks expensive. I know it is going to be pricey, so I know again, I am becoming like a cheapo, yeah? But a rib star kind of roof is totally fine. It's just pretty much the design. So the tile roof looks really nice, but the rib star is just okay. I think by now you guys will have an idea on how well the roof look. So this is the picture that I want the roof to look like. And yeah, hopefully we're gonna be able to achieve that. You guys can hear that the generator is almost giving up. But please don't, okay? We're almost done with the roof. The generator that I have right now has 2,500 watts, and unfortunately it can't really have 2 welding machines because we only have 1 welding machine that can work with the generator. It is a bit slow this week, but it's okay. At least we still have electricity and generator that we can continue to work on the house. So anyway, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I know this is very short and simple. I just really want to give you guys another update of the house. And so right now, because the house is not really usable because there are a lot of leaks everywhere, the roof is totally destroyed. There is a lot of holes because right now I know it will for sure rain tonight, so we can't really sleep there. That's why I need to go to the city and upload this video, because until now, today is, what is it today?
Wednesday.
January
26.
Today's January 26th, and until now we still don't have electricity. It is a month and 1 week now, I would have to say. No electricity. We have signal for smart. We don't have signal for globe still. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure that when I drive here, there's going to be a lot of improvement in the house so that I don't need to stay here and wait for another progress. Anyway, that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!